Dark roast is played by the darkest one of all.
What?
Georgia. Hey guys, welcome back. Too many projects, not enough time. I'm Andrew. That's the wife and my daughter. Out here on the lake today, a little chilly and frozen, but it's the inaugural first annual Tim Hortons bocce / curling game. We throw a puck out, and then we've got some Tim Hortons cans frozen full of water. Slide them down the ice. Can't really tell if it's bocce or if it's curling, but it's a hell of a lot of fun. Let's join in, see where we're at, see who's going to win. Here we are at the National Championships, original versus dark roast. Dark roast is played by the darkest one of all.
What?
Georgia. And the original is played by the original mom. Oh. Looks like both teams are going to be disqualified this round.
It's really hard to throw that far. Well, you said we could do it. I figured you could do it. Does the one in the snow count? No. What? Gotta bounce. No. It's not the coffee that comes in it, it's the memories that go with it.
There we go.
I think it's 9 to 3. Get 2? No. I had 3 to 4. Did you see that one?
Yeah.
There you go, Mom. What is the score now? You just said it! 9 to 3 or 8 to 3?
Oh, it's not the score that counts, it's the memories, people. Remember that.
It matters because the game ends at 11.
You have 8.
I have 8.
Oh, nice curve. Nice curve. What if you spin it as you do it? Does it curve? Nope. Nice curve.
It's always that one, too. Go.
Nice.
My point.
It goes flying. Oh, it was yours.
Why do you know how to do that? Thanks. Oh.
disqualified.
It's my turn.
Didn't see it.
Oh! Darn it.
That means she catches you up.
I have 4 now, right?
You don't have to kick it too much.
Perfect. Whoop, Team Dark Roast. Team Original Mom. Oh, nice recovery.
Am I closer?
Ooh, just. All right, Mom's beating you now. Mom.
Go Team Dark Road. Go Team Dark Road.
Ooh, Dark Roast is
Am I closer?
roasting Mom.
I'm going left-handed.
Mom's going cockeyed. Oh, Georgia's still beating you.
Oh, that's pretty good for left-handed.
Well, Georgia's disqualified on that one.
I think I got a point though.
So what's the score now?
9-5.
We're just making a comeback.
I'm gonna win this.
This is what things like, you know, when you're bored sometimes, and then you invent this game because you're bored. This is one of those games.
And clearly bored and run out of coffee.
Yeah. Well, like, this is a cool game. We never played it.
All we need now is a moose to run across the lake. Oh, she's creamed you on this one.
Somebody's like down there.
Yeah.
Like in a tent. Do you see that?
Yeah.
Like a red tent.
Yeah.
Yep. It's someone ice fishing.
Really?
Yep. Oh, almost. You guys are kicking the game up a notch here. Oh, this is close. Oh, it might be good. Oh, too bad.
Too bad.
Nope.
Hey, 1 point. You're only 3 ahead.
What's Mom now, 10?
She has 9.
Oh.
And I have 6. No, you win.
I win.
She won that round.
I won that round.
Oh, you got 2. You won. You are the champion.
I am the champion.
You are the champion.
But Georgia won the first game. And I won the second game.
Oh, best out of 3.